Bacterial vaginosis. What is it? How do you get it? Does it come from sex? Are you struggling with it? Do you know somebody who's struggling with it? If you're not struggling with it, the odds are you probably will at some point. But that is why I'm here to explain all of this. So let's get right to it. If you are new here, hello, my name is Gianna Jara. I'm a biomedical engineer who specializes in the vaginal microbiome. I am the founder and CEO of With Meraki Co. And it is my mission to understand the vaginal microbiome better so that I can help educate you and create products for optimal urinary and vaginal health. So boom, BV, what is it? Contrary to popular belief, bacterial vaginosis is very different from other urinary and vaginal infections. What BV is a condition or state in which the vagina is in. And that condition / state is a deficiency of good bacteria. So every healthy vagina has good bacteria, also known as lactobacillus, and there's bad bacteria just like on our skin. There's always going to be bad bacteria living on our skin, but good bacteria is meant to protect you. And so every healthy vagina has high amounts of good bacteria and low amounts of bad bacteria. Now, what BV is when this good bacteria is depleted for so many reasons, and this is why I said if you aren't struggling with bacterial vaginosis, the chances are you might in the future, and that is because there are so many ways that you can lose this good bacteria, and when you lose this good bacteria, this bad bacteria that does exist in a healthy vagina starts to grow, and that bacteria is most times anaerobic bacteria. So this starts to grow, but it is because of the loss of this, because of this lactobacillus dying and being lost, this deficiency, this bad bacteria starts to grow. And so BV is the condition in the state in which your vagina has a deficiency of lactobacillus, but more counts of this bad bacteria that is typically in good healthy vaginas, but it is growing because there's a deficiency of lactobacillus. And the CDC directly characterizes bacterial vaginosis as dysbiosis, which is microbiome imbalance. So an imbalance in the microbiome where the bacteria that produces lactic acid and hydrogen peroxide is missing or depleted, and there is high concentrations of anaerobic bacteria. And here is a research paper that is characterizing bacterial vaginosis as a disorder, as a condition of the vagina, because it is. So this condition, how do you get there? How did we get to this loss of good bacteria? And I want to preface that this is why repeated treatment of bacterial vaginosis typically fails, because traditional testing for BV is looking for certain microbes, but it's not looking at how much good bacteria you have in your vagina. And that is why the medicine, the world of medicine for female reproductive health has failed us so much in all these years, because we haven't really put emphasis on good bacteria in the vagina until now, until research is coming out that good bacteria is the key to optimal urinary and vaginal health. So how do we get to the state of missing good bacteria? So if you want to know what causes you to lose this good bacteria and how to bring this good bacteria back into your vagina, watch part 2.